The long of this machine is that this machine can cut many moldings in one time together. For this design, this molding, you can cut the 3 pieces one at a time. Another feature of this machine is that this machine can move by itself. This automatically. The motor only 3 pieces like moldings on the machine and then just go flat and then pick up all the moldings. As you can see, the main molding is the machine. You feel second and then very safe, very safe for all the and also very fast. First, up here and the working technique is the vacuum cleaner to make the cut more cleaner. This machine can cut the wood and LPS as molding and also the pattern. The now custom technique is the whole the machine needs to cover the four corners together and the 2 channels. Here, like. Now use the rubber to make the molding together to check it. Here you can see that all the layers is very good, very good. Very good. At least you have to reach the perfect function very well. At least here, how you click this behind the machine to push the molding to the right to the. And there are 4 one-piece molding. This can make the 4 different sizes, cutting different sizes in one pieces. And here can make the different sizes together very fast. Here like this. Another features of this machine is that this can cut all the moldings. For this time, we are cutting the polymer frame moldings for you. This is the metal frame, and you should put the 4 pieces one by one on it. The size of this molding is 1.8 cm. This we can cover 24 pieces in one time. Now you only find the 19 pieces. When you do the molding on a molding, you need to make sure all moldings is mostly on the 2 molds. And of course, you need to find one more or one under or one other thing to put it on all the moldings to make sure all the moldings in one cutting position, the starter position. Also, this can cut the 4 sides in one time together. So we need to make sure all the moldings in one position and this can cut all the sides smoothly. Now you just find one wooden frame to put in the front of the top mold.